There's Steve, he's always ready to stream his lovely family. But don't forget that the crazy family. Oh, the crazy family. Amanda, Cinderella, Abigail, and Dee are the crazy family.
Morning folks, Crazy Dad here. It's about 10:30ish or so. Just having some breakfast, having some Honey Nut Cheerios. I got yesterday's vlog up for you guys. Episode, whatever you want to call it. You can go check that out. Crazy Mama's over there messing around on the computer. I don't know what she's doing, but Ella's helping me clean up the kitchen. We're going to tidy this house up a bit. And then we're going to go do a little bit of shopping. And yeah, just chillax. It's sunny outside today. Oh, stop moving, it's probably making you sick. Hey folks, Crazy Dad here. So I got the living room all cleaned up, minus my coffee table, which is a mess, and my kitchen all cleaned up. Still got some clothes to put away, but we're gonna go do some shopping, spend money, you know, blah de blah. And I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, just been chilling. Shooting the shit with Crazy Mama. We'll be talking about how we need to go on vacation and just get away, and of course having the 3 kids now, the dog as well, you know, it's like, okay, trying to find somebody to look after the dog and the 3 kids, it's like virtually impossible, right? So who knows? So anyways, we're gonna go shopping. See you in a bit. So the kids have their favorite animals again. What do you got? Oh, a little mini pig. We're trying to figure out what to get for Bowser. No, the last one he got of that, he destroyed it, Ella. All these things here. Oh, look at this. Look, if I was to get him this, he would just, it's, that one, okay, it's $5.76. Just for that. Oh, he wants me to show you this chicken. The chicken again. That is just wrong on so many levels. But Crazy Mama's getting stuff. The kids are holding their chickens. I mean, jerking the chicken. I mean, yeah. Bad jokes. I'll stop. Yeah, I know. So. I didn't do it. That just fell off the shelf. I'm listening. Here, give it to me. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Can you do that?
Like this? That? Oh, I gotta do it too? To yours as well, I guess, do I? Make the pigs fight. Ella. It's just wrong. Uh-oh. And someone just woke up. Not a happy camper. You say hi?
Guys,
You say hi? Abby. Hi. Someone just woke up. And I'm in my new outfit that I got here.
This angry bird.
All kinds of stuff. We're going to make homemade pizzas for dinner tonight, I think.
Look! It's a helmet pig.
It's a helmet pig. Oh, look, like from space. Yeah, check it out. Look at this. This would just annoy the hell out of me. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Now listen to this.
Okay. Hey folks, Crazy Dad here. It's the end of the night. Well, it's morning actually. It's about 7 o'clock. But I decided I'd wait till a bit later to open up the laundry rooms and stuff, just because I never really feel, you know, safe, if you will. Not safe, but like it just doesn't seem right opening up at 5, because then they're open for like 3 hours, 4 hours before they actually open, which is at 9. So took Bowser out for a walk and making myself a cup of coffee and just gonna relax for a little bit. Go to bed. Get some sleep. So, anyways, in the meantime, in between time, I am the Crazy Dad, and we'll see you guys later today. Stay crazy, my friends.